How to open an Amazon seller account in the USA, Beginner's Guide. Want to start selling products on Amazon in the USA? In this video, I'll show you the basic steps to open an Amazon seller account, even if you're a complete beginner. Step 1. Go to Amazon Seller Central first. Visit Amazon's official seller website and click Sign Up. You'll need to create or use an Amazon selling account and provide your basic information. Step 2. Choose your selling plan. Amazon currently offers two main plans. The individual plan charges a fee per item sold, while the professional plan has a monthly subscription fee plus selling fees. Choose the plan that fits your business and expected sales volume. Step 3. Prepare your documents. Before registration, have your important information ready. This can include a government-issued ID, email address, internationally chargeable credit card, bank account information, business information if applicable, proof of address, and tax information. Step 4. Enter your business information. Amazon will ask about your business, contact information, and the products you plan to sell. If you're registering as an individual, select the appropriate option instead of entering business information you don't actually have. Step 5. Verify your identity. Amazon may ask you to submit identification documents and complete an identity verification process. Make sure your information and documents are accurate and consistent. Step 6. Set up Seller Central. Once your registration and verification are completed, you can log into Seller Central. From there, you can create product listings, manage inventory, choose how you'll fulfill orders, and manage your Amazon business. And remember, opening a seller account does not guarantee that you'll make money. Product demand, competition, Amazon fees, shipping costs, taxes, and compliance can all affect your profits. So before you invest money, research your product and understand the costs. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more USA business and finance content. Thanks for watching.